Aquaba, welcome to Diane's channel. Boy, it's been a while. Good to see you, right? Appreciate you. You know how it goes already. Guys, we are over the 700 mark, close to 1,000, and it's all because of you, okay? And I truly, truly appreciate that. Now, guess what? Today, Wednesday the 17th of August. Yes, so you can't forget, it's Marcus Garvey Celebration Day. So I'm heading to that, and I told you I would be inviting you along, all right? The theme of today is Marcus Garvey footprints in Africa. So I'm very excited about that. It's going to be the first that I'll be attending anything like this relating to Marcus Mosiah Garvey. It's going to be a long day, so you don't know. Diane has to be there to bring you the coverage. And when I upload the videos, I'm going to refer to it as a series. We did the Jamaica Village like a series, which is a couple vlogs uploaded over the course of the time that I'm there, and it's going to be the same for the Marcus Garvey Day celebration. I'll be uploading quite a bit, I am hoping to do so, and looking forward to it. As I said, you heard the one-on-one, we're getting some good figures on that. That is fantastic. Hey, I noticed and I love the big up. Big up has crossed over 2,000 views. Again, thanks to you subscribers and those persons who are viewing the content but have not yet subscribed. I'm gonna clarify one or two things. Yes. Firstly, when I speak to the Ghana card, and I have amended on the headings, what we get as foreigners, it's actually labeled non-citizen identity card. Yes, and so that's our Ghana card, because again, wherever you go and they ask for the Ghana card and you tender that, it's accepted. And so it's different from the local Ghana card, or rather the cards for the Ghanaians and citizens of Ghana, because it specifically states non-citizen, and hence the cost of $120. Again, they prefer the Ghana CD, so whatever the rate of exchange is on that day, that is what you'll be paying, right? So we tidy that up nice. So I don't have the Ghana card for the Ghanaians. I have a non-citizen identity card, and that is the Ghana card that we are able to receive as, again, 1, 2, 3, no problem. Okay, the bank account. And this is what I'm going to clarify. The due diligence that the bank was doing, fair. Why? Because when I showed them, obviously, my identification, which was a passport, guess what was in there? The 30 days. So think about it. You're coming to open up a bank account and you're here for 30 days based on your passport. So I just wanted to clarify that, okay? And that also was of course, that's reasonable, and so therefore the steps that I had to take and the processes to complete that were very much in order. So let's just say Diane S went ahead of ourselves, and it doesn't matter the fact that you're going to tell them this, we can't take hearsay, and guess what we must always be able to do to validate what you are saying. And so that is why we had to take a step back, and once I was able to validate what I was saying, it was all systems go. And again, as I told you, the Ghana card, the icing on the cake, and the residency slip, it's actually the retention slip that you receive from immigration that I tendered. So those are the only two things that I wanted to clarify for you. So here what happened now. Waiting on the ride to head out to the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Day celebration. So take care. thank you again. Keep on doing the good work, right? Keep on sharing with your friends and families, and even a little one or two strangers if you're that bold in subscribing to the channel. God bless.